welcome to Easy Comp. My name is Caroline and I'm here to show you how to add a signature on your PDF document. This tutorial is mainly for MacBooks. I'll be doing the Microsoft Word tutorial on my next video, so stay tuned for that one. Please like, subscribe, turn on your post notification to stay tuned for more. So first things first, we will go to Finder. You're gonna go to the document that you want to add your signature on. I've already created a document that needs my signature, so I'm just gonna click on that. See down there it says sign here. So what do? You first go to the squiggly pen and you add a signature. See, I already added the signature, so I removed it. You add signature. So here you have an option to type your name or to draw. So you mainly use your trackpad to draw a signature, but sometimes that does not really come out that good. So your best option is to add an image. Click image and then add picture of your signature. So beforehand you should have taken a picture of your signature on a piece of paper. Make sure it's clear and readable. So you're going to click on that picture that you've sent on your laptop and you're going to click apply, and there it is. There's your signature. Just going to drag it and minimize it to fit the line. And there it is. Easy as that. I'll be doing a video on how to put your signature on a Microsoft document on my next video, so please stay tuned and subscribe and turn on post notification. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.